everyone, my name is Rupa Vaishnav. I am studying 4th in Sri Shantiniketan English Medium. Now, I want to tell you all a napkin. This is a napkin. Fold your napkin, spread your napkin, clean your face with napkin, clean your face with the napkin, again wash your napkin, dry your napkin.
చెప్పు.
Hello everyone, my name is Rupa Vaishnavi. I am studying 4th grade. My school name is Sri Shantiniketan English Medium School. Now I want to tell you a book. This is a book. It is orange wrapper in book. It has so many pages. You can get from the knowledge. Thank you. Have a great day.